yesterday what happened in Katta session, there was one lady and she sang very well. Yeah. She said, I said, in Katta I asked, so what are you going to do? She said, I'm going to uh, uh, present one bandish. I said, what do you mean by bandish? And she explained what is bandish, and she sang very well. Very first she sang and then she played on harmonium, the same what she sang. Right? And after, after in Kata, after performance, I speak to them, I understand. I was speaking to her and suddenly someone asked, Praveen, how many people are there right now? I said, who is this? I said, suddenly, I said, how many people? I said, anyhow, see, in Katta, hardly 70, 80 people come.
Huh.
So suddenly, how many people are there? So for a moment, I said, why suddenly someone is asking that question? And then I saw, who is asking that question? So it was Mr. Dinesh Haria. You know him? This Dinesh Haria?
Yes, yes, yes,
He's
yes.
he's an old man.
Yeah.
And, he was very senior in 50s and 60s, and he was a general manager in one company. So,
Yeah.
but his tone of voice is always, little
Huh.
different.
Yes, yes,
Little
yes.
different. Yeah, he has that little
Little serious, angry young man.
angry young man tone.
Yeah.
So, so suddenly that question came, how many people are there? So I smiled. I said, what should I answer? And even before I think to answer, that lady, she was performing, she said, around 55 people are here. She said, around 55 people are here. Then he asked one more question, that in skill day, normally how many people come? So I said, let me give an organized answer to this question. I said, see, we have 3 events. I get maximum people in mindset around 150, 160. When it was on money, it was around 200, right? There was one session, how to, so that highest 200 people, right? Otherwise, the average is around 140 to 150 people. In Katta, I get minimum 60 to 70. In skill day, I get average 120, 130. So maximum, mindset, Katta, minimum, and the middle I get in skill day. So you asked me, why so less? We have 14,000 members. We have 14,000 members. Why the numbers are so less? Correct? My question to you is this now, doctor. Imagine that you are at my place. What will come in your mind at this point of time? Tell me. Think about it and tell me. If people are there, someone is asking you, 14,000 people are there. Why only 100, 120, 130 people come to your event? What will come in your mind?
Until it's people they don't value. That's it.
No, that's the answer. That's the answer. I'm not talking about the answer. I'm talking about the thought. What thought
Okay.
will come in your mind? Right? Just an example. When we shifted this event meeting from 11:30 to 12:30, thought was irritation. Oh, I'm talking about the thought. What thought will
Uh,
come in your mind?
chop his neck.
Right?
Yes.
Right? So, so what, why? Why chop his neck? No, of course, we are just using this as a simile. We don't want to do this.
That's
We
right.
respect him. He's a part of the family. So we respect him.
Yeah.
But with all, we are not being disrespectful or impudent about it, but we are just expressing the feeling.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
why chop his neck?
It's
Very
unnecessary.
respect,
I mean, if you
very
want to
res-
stay, you stay. Why do you bother? Why there are no more members? I mean, just go put your head in the toilet. Come on. So that's the.
That's not a good simile. Okay.
Oh.
No. I th- that's the problem, doctor. That's the problem. That's the number one thing which I have learned in communication. Even I thought like this. Why is asking this question? So I said, so is it okay if I end the conversation with that lady first, and then I will come to you, sir? so we can focus on the conversation because I want to end the conversation. I wanted to ask some more questions to that lady. That lady just performed. Uh, I have to acknowledge that performance. At the same time, I have some genuine questions. One very genuine question I had in my mind, that why you should learn, or why one should learn music, because I am thinking to learn music. So why one should learn music? I had that genuine question. So I said, let me ask certain questions to her, then I will come back to you, sir, on this. So I did that. I respectfully killed that conversation for a moment, and then I started that new conversation, and then he came back. Then I took him in spotlight, right? Only Dinesh sir and me, we together. And I said, if the question is this, that why less people are there, then I have no ideas. I don't know the truth. Why people are not there. Whatever I will say, it's assumptions, predictions. I have no idea why they are not there. And I'm also sure that if I ask all these 14,000 people one to one, everyone will have their own reason, own story. It could be that I'm busy. It could be that I'm not finding it relevant. It could be anything. I have no idea. I don't know what is the truth. Right? Neither I'm very keen to know the truth also, because I know one day will come where you will feel the importance of this and you will join. Later on, no, not at this point of time, later on, someone gave a very good example, because later on we extended this conversation and someone gave a very good example. He said, Praveen, I joined this community 1 year ago and I didn't do anything. I was not active. Just 15 days ago, when I was standing for promotion, I'm working in that organization since last many years and I was expecting promotion. The panel said everything is good, but you can't speak well. I got a slap, Praveen. I got a slap and now I'm active. So maybe one day they will get a slap in their life, that it's important to learn how to speak. And like any other skill, you have to practice how to speak. Right? You can't just feel that I can speak. No, you have to do it. Keeping your mind uncluttered while speaking itself needs practice, huge practice. Right? So maybe one day they all are waiting for the slap. One day will they get the slap and they will come, right? But I gave the reference of the movie Everest. Might have seen that movie Everest.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Yeah.
So in Everest, the another guy, the South African guy,
Uh,
he says that I'm not that kind of a guide who will hold the hands of all the mountaineers and will reach the peak. They have to come. They have to just follow me. The guy and he dies,
yeah.
unfortunately. So, and the another guy, he has a habit of holding the hand and going, and he dies because of that also. Right?
Yes.
He dies only because he took that postman on the top.
Yeah.
You remember that story?
Yes, 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 yes.
So I said, I'm that kind of person who will never hold hand. I said, I'm climbing, I'm working hard. I will tell you how I'm climbing, how I have taken those steps, how I have reached TEDx stage, how I have reached wherever I have reached. I will tell you. I will not hold your hand. I will never do that. You have to work hard. So I will not force people to come also. They will get a slap one day and they will come. Or they will realize one day they will come. Or maybe at this point of time they are super busy in their life. They will take care of that and they will come. I will be more interested to know and do something who are live right now in front of. Doesn't matter they are 40, 50, 60, 100. Doesn't matter. They are there in front of me right. Correct? This answer was fundamentally incorrect. This answer was completely fundamentally incorrect. As a communicator, I completely failed, Doctor, yesterday. I failed 100%, 0 out of 100. Completely failed. Because fortunately, what happened, that was the last performance from that lady. And then I thought, let me ask other people that why they join when they join. Right? So we were still extending the same conversation. And then I asked one question to Dinesh sir. So can you tell me what is the feeling behind the question which you asked? Why did you ask what you asked? You asked me that there's so many people there's so many members are there in your community and only 100 people, 150 people come. What was the reason behind that? He said, Praveen, yes, I will tell you. What was the reason behind that? He said, I started one YouTube channel where I share news. Right? Where I share news. And I saw that YouTube channel also. He's sharing news about Corona and latest news. And I'm making videos every day, but I'm not getting views. People are not watching it. So out of general curiosity, I wanted to know your view on this. That what make people watch? What make people come? What make people stay engaged? What are your views on this? That does members are there? Why people are coming? Why people are not coming? What are your views on all this? So that knowledge can help me, or that information can raise my literacy about my initiative. You're getting a point? So whole idea of he's asking me question is not belittling me or putting me down or sarcasm. No, not at all. He was just asking question out of very general, beautiful curiosity that I have started something. There is someone sitting in front of me. He has an experience of last 3 to 4 years of building this community. What he feels about it, that why people come or why people do not come. Now imagine I asking this question even before I reacting to my thoughts in your mind, which you said. Now you must be feeling bad about it, right? Are you feeling bad about it when you said that putting his? You should say sorry to him now. Say sorry to him.
Sorry, Dinesh.
So moment you listen to someone without the knowledge in your mind, without thoughts, and take at least some efforts in trying to understand that, hey, why did you ask what you asked? What is the reason? Then and then you are in the position to give the answer which is really matching his or her expectation. Otherwise, you're on a different page. I'm on a different page. Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So as a communicator, fortunately, I'm not, there's a, I would say, something to celebrate about that. Fortunately, in the same session only, I corrected my mistake. In the same session, I asked him, why did you ask? But next time, I think if someone is asking me something like this, where my thoughts are reacting like this and feeling bad or why, I will rather ask that person, hey, tell me why you're asking this here. What is the feeling behind? Then I will be the better position to answer, right? Very important.
Yeah.
So I think we should say thank you to Dinesh sir for this learning.
Oh,
right?
Absolutely. I think today only I'll text him. Thank you, sir.
So what we will do? We will take this particular clipping, right, and we will post it there, right? Is that okay with you?
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely.
So I have your permission.
Yes,
I will just ask my team to edit this only, and we'll post on. Let other also learn from it.